Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start the chapter properties, and the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division terms, understanding parentheses, properties of addition, and solve using properties of addition. So basically we're going to learn the properties of different mathematical operations. How do we work with these properties, right? So let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division terms. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So here I'm on grade 3 math. The chapter we're working on is properties. Let's just start with the lesson, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division terms, right? So in this problem, what is 27? That is 3 whole 27, I think. Oh no, it is like this. Three are given the meter 2. So basically you need 20, right? So when working on the division, this is divisor that is going to divide. This is dividend. This is the quotient. And this is the remainder, the number you are left at the end after dividing, that is the remainder, right? So these are the terms related to division. This is the divisor, this is the number you are going to divide with, then this is the number dividend, this is the number you are going to divide, and then this is the quotient. When you divide the answer, this is the answer, that is the quotient, and that is the remainder. If the number is a number isn't completely divided by the number, you are left with the remainder. Got it? So 3 is the 24 is the quotient. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, in this problem, what is 60? Right? Okay, in the 60, in this problem, you have 74. This is related to subtraction, right? So let's just learn the um, terms related to subtraction. This is the difference of both the numbers, right? This is the minuend. This is the minuend, and this is the subtrahend, right? Minuend means you're going to from 74. Then 60 is the subtrahend, that is the number that you're going to be subtract. So these in terms in your mind, they are minuend, but is minuend, right? This subtrahend, and the answer is there difference. So the correct option is subtrahend. Got it? Okay, problem what is 8? So which is the correct option? We just learned the terms related to division. So what is 8? That is the remainder, right? If the number isn't completely divided by the other number, you are left with some number is remainder, right? Okay, the next one is in this problem, what is 8? 22 divided by 8 equals 2, and then you have the remainder 6. So what is 8? Is it quotient or is it divisor? Divisor, right? It is what you're going to divide with, so that would be a divisor. Okay, the next one is 8 equals 40. So what is 40? Remainder or sum? Which is the correct option? Yes, 40 is the sum of the that are right. They both are the addend, and that is their sum. Okay, the next one is in the T176 plus 5, which is the correct. The correct one is the. Please focus on the lesson we are going on. Is the sum. One is in a but correct option we did. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 24 is the quotient. The correct option is quotient. Who is taking class? To whom you're asking question? What do you mean by grade 2? Listen, Muhammad Khan. And so that we are working on grade 3. So 24 is the divisor. Sorry, quotient it is. 24 54 is the quotient. In this problem, what is 0? 6 divided by 2 equals 3, remainder 0. Which is the correct option? 0 is the correct option. 0 is the remainder. Everyone, can you hear me? Everyone, can you hear me? In this problem, what is 49? 41 plus 49 equals 90. 41 plus 49 equals 90. So the correct option is 49 is the addend. So 49 is the addend. Okay, in this problem, what is 54? Which is the correct option? 54 is the 54 is the dividend. In this problem, what is 54? Which is the correct option? 54 is the dividend. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. You guys are just here to waste my time. Let's just start the next lesson that is understanding parentheses. Okay, so what is parentheses? Just look at the first example. 2 plus 72 minus 23 minus 49. Xavier and Patch, can you please stop sharing your usernames here? You are here to learn, not to share your personal information here. Stop, everyone. Go back and go to grade 3 maths. Okay, here in this example, you have 2 plus 72 minus 23 minus 49. This is the parenthesis, right? So, the basic thing is whatever written inside the parenthesis, you have to do the first, right? The parenthesis has the highest priority. So, whatever written in the parenthesis, you have to perform this operation first. Either it is addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Whatever the operation is, you have to solve the parenthesis first. Just look at this question. You have to do 72 minus 23 first, right? So just do 72 minus 23, you are left with 49. Then solve the rest of the questions, go from left to right, right? So 49 minus 49 is 0, so you are left with 2. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, solve 5 plus 64, 53 plus 37. So here you have the parenthesis. You have to solve the operation that is inside the parenthesis first, right? No matter what the operation is. Got it? So you have to do 64 minus 53. So 64 is 9. So that would be 5 plus 9 plus 37. Now you can add them, right? That is 11, not 9. So when you add them, the correct option is, so when you add them, the correct option is 53. The correct option is 53. Okay, the next one is 2 plus 72 minus 23 minus 49. So which is the correct option? So first of all, you have to solve the bracket, parenthesis, right? So in parenthesis, you have 72 minus 23, so just subtract. That would be 2. That's the one we did on the tutorial, right? 2 plus 49 minus 20, 49. So 49 minus 49 is 0, so you are left with just 2. So the correct option is 2. Okay, the next one is 81 minus 66 plus 11. Which is the correct option? 66 plus 11 is 77. So you have to do 81 minus 77. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 5. Oh, that would be 4. Sorry, I thought it's 5. Okay, the next one is 61 plus 17 minus 45 minus 37. So you have now two parentheses here, right? So bottom from left to right or either you can do in the same step, right? Just add 61 plus 17. So that is 78, and 45 minus 37 is 8. 78 minus 8 is 70. So the correct option is 70. No one is answering the questions I am asking. You just are just here to keep talking. I am going to disable the chat option. Xavier is glitchy at your side because of your internet connection. So fix your internet connection. Everything is fine at my side. I can hear myself on my phone. If you cannot hear me, if your side is glitchy, fix your side. If there is something wrong at my side, you can see all of them message in the chat box then. You guys have to fix your problems on your own. I'm just here to teach you and fix the problems that I have. Do not waste my time, please. If you are not, do you do not want to learn, leave. Move on to next lesson. The next lesson is properties of addition. Just answer the questions I am asking. Stop chatting. So we're going to learn the properties of addition. So I'm going to explain the different properties of addition. The properties of addition are, the first property of addition is commutative property. So what is commutative property? Commutative property of addition is if you are going to add a plus b or b plus a, the answer is exactly same, right? Like if you do 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1, the answer is exactly same, right? That means the order in the case of addition doesn't matter if you write 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 4. The answer, sorry, if you do 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1, the answer is same in both the cases, right? So commutative property means the order doesn't matter in case of addition. If you do a plus b or b plus a, the answer is same. The other property is associative property. Associative property involves the parenthesis and three numbers, right? That is a plus b plus c or a plus b plus c, right? If both the sides the number are same, just their order of addition is different, the answer is always the same number. 3 plus 4 plus 5, or here you have, hold on, both sides are, here you have a plus b plus c, right? So here the order is 3 plus 4 plus 5. So you have to solve the parenthesis first, right? Just add 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5. So here you have 3 and 4 plus 5 is 9. So when you add, it would be 12 equals 12. So that means order does not matter, right? So the correct option, that means associative property involves three numbers and the parenthesis also. So that means if you apply parenthesis, the order of addition is different, but still you have same answer. So that is the associative property. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. We have an zero property also. Zero property means if you add zero to any number, the number stays the same. The next property is zero property. That means if you do 0 plus a, the answer is a. No matter what the number is, if you are going to add 0 to any number, the number stays the same. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which property of addition is shown? Associative, commutative, or identity? Either it is zero property or either it is identity. They both are same, right? Zero and identity, that is same property. Okay, which property of addition is is shown? Associative, commutative, identity. Which is the correct option? No one is answering now because I am asking questions. That is the commutative property. Which property of addition is shown? 8 plus 7 plus 4, 8 plus 7 plus 4. Which option is the correct one? You don't have to add, you have to see which property is it. This one is the associative property, the property in which the parentheses and three numbers are involved. That would be the associative property. No one knows the answer because no one is hearing when I'm explaining. For the next time for grade 3 and grade 4, chat will be disabled. Which property of addition is shown? 9 plus 2 plus 4, 9 plus 2 plus 4, which is the correct option? The correct option is, the option is, that is the associative property. Which property of addition is shown, which is the correct option? That is the identity. 0 is the identity, right? So the correct option is option number 3, that is the identity. Which addition is shown, associative, commutative? The correct option is, yes, that is the identity. Which property of addition is shown, which is the correct option? The correct option is commutative property it is. Which property of addition is shown, which is the correct option? The correct option is associative property. You have the parentheses involved and 3 numbers involved, so that be. Okay, which property of addition is shown, which is the correct option? Xavier, please write the answers once. What's wrong with you guys? Don't worry, I'm going to delete the chat option for grade 3 and grade 4. That would be a property. Which property of addition is shown, which is the correct option? That would be identity. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is solve using properties of addition. We have just learned the properties of addition. We have to apply these properties and to find the missing number or solve the them. Okay, solve using the associative property. Type the missing numbers that makes the addition sentence true. So which is the correct option? In the associative property, on the both sides you have three exactly same numbers, right? Now you have to see which number is missing. Here you have 75 and 94. Here you have 23 and 94. That means the third number that is missing is 23, right? And here you have 75. So option number 1 is the correct option because both the sides must have the same number. So that would be 23 and 75. Got it? Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. So which number is missing? The correct option is 37 because the sides the number must be same, so 37 is missing. Type missing number that makes the addition sentence true. So which is the correct option? What number when added to 18 the answer is exactly the same number? Yes, that would be identity 0. 18 0 is the identity. 18 plus 0 equals 18. Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. Which is the correct option? 22 plus 0 equals. Correct option is 22. Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. Which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 40. Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. Which number is missing? The correct option is 90. Using this is type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. So which number is missing? That is 98 and 100, not 97. Type the missing number that makes the addition sentence true. 65 plus what number equals 65? The correct option is 065 plus 0 equals 65. Using the associative property, type the missing numbers. The correct option is 66 and 85 it is. Think number that makes the addition sentence true, which is the correct option? The correct option is 77. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself here today. So we were working on grade 4 math. Grade 3 math. We're working on grade 3 math. The chapter we're working on is properties, and the lessons we have covered are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division terms, understanding parentheses, properties of addition, solve using properties of addition. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10.